Good morning or good evening. It's 10:43 on June the 2nd.
Right. How about some
At the
presents?
office.
I want to see some presents.
Luggage there. Rest of the stuff over there. Can pack all that stuff with my car, grab these few things, head to Urbandale, and we'll be good. We'll see you soon on the road.
Just take my hand. 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 Follow me down, follow me down, follow me down, follow me.
Drive for miles and miles and miles and miles and miles and miles and miles, and you don't see anything, and all of a sudden you come up over one hill, and there they are. Still on the backcountry roads. With her.
That's me.
That's her. Popo. Just look at how pretty they are. We're still 14 miles out, like what?
Sorry, bro, I'm not from around here.
Probably have license plates. Out of towners. It's okay. Cheyenne's doing okay.
Yeah.
You did it.
What? Getting a little excited about that Zoom. A very hot,
Spiciness.
wonderful Mexican dinner.
That stomach is burning like a volcano. I almost said a volcano, but it's a volcano.
Is that what it is? A volcano? Yeah.
Well, start climbing.
Yeah.
There's Dubs. Hi, Dubs.
Hiking around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trying to remember how to be mountain goats.
That's right.
They're shy. She's literally gonna fall.
I'm good.
It's beautiful. It's literally perfect right now. We have long sleeves on and pants, and it feels great.
Yes.
In the little cave.
You be careful.
Yes, Mommy. The sun.
I like it up here.
Yeah. Maybe we should just sleep up here tonight.
I think I could find a little cozy area down there in the caves.
Yeah.
Jesse photographing things.
This one looks like I'm shooting between someone's butt cheeks.
The perfect shot.
See?
Oh my.
It's very scandalous, very special, very rare.
Very scanty. Well done. Yeah. Out here just doing Colorado things. Yeah. Excited to make memories and make a little imprint on Colorado.
And
Like
get
we
lost
did.
in the mountains.
Yeah, like we did in South Dakota. And have a lot of adventures too. And this is just day one, so much more is to come.
I'm gonna murder her in her sleep tonight.
You have it on camera, ladies and gentlemen. The truth comes out.
We're on the train.
Yeah, we're just boarded, and the train is beautiful, and it's like old, and it's super, super cool, and I'm so excited for all the sights we're gonna see.
Got itself programs to go on the other side.
The depot. We're about to see some awesome stuff. So,
Oh, yeah.
join us.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Yeah, maybe. Man overboard. There's people on the bridge.
And the Royal Gorge Bridges in line or vehicular railway.
Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye. 'Cause now it's time to go. But hey, I say, well, that's okay. 'Cause we'll see you very soon, I know. Very soon, I know. Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye. 'Cause now it's time to go. But hey, I say, well, that's okay. 'Cause we'll see you very soon, I know. 'Cause we'll see you very soon, I know. Holy mother, holy mother.
Driving off the edge of the world.
Stop it, don't say that. Oh my gosh. This is pretty terrifying.